is going to be your living space. As you can see, acquire your kitchen right now where you get two sides of parallel platform. This is going to be your bedroom where your bed is going to be placed.
Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of a very well connected project which is just 2 minutes away from metro station. Yes, I'm talking about Romel Ariana by Romel Group. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual land tower and right now you can just have a look at the neighborhood of this project. This road right here leads you to the Link Road.
But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here, where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey.
Talking about project overview, so this project is made on a land parcel of 1 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 19 floors with configuration of just 2 BHK.
Talking about amenities, this project has 10 plus necessary amenities, which includes multi-purpose court, swimming pool, kids play area, gymnasium, and many more.
Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in IC Colony, Borivali West, with IC Colony metro station at a distance of just 1 minute, Western Express Highway at a distance of just 7 minutes, Borivali railway station at a distance of just 10 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers.
Are you planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers do not know what their actual rights are. For example, if you have purchased a home by giving a token amount to the builder, but now you want to cancel it off. So legally, how much money can the builder deduct? Secondly, after possession, अगर आपको कोई लीकेज या कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड इशू आता है तो व्हाट लायबिलिटी डज द बिल्डर होल्ड? यू नीड टू नो ऑल दीज थिंग्स. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हमने बहुत सिंपल और ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड लैंग्वेज में इस सीरीज में एक्सप्लेन किया है. सो बिफोर बाइंग योर होम नेक्स्ट टाइम, गो थ्रू दिस सीरीज. ये सीरीज का लिंक आपको ऊपर आई बटन और नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. Now let me give you this 2 BHK actual flat tour with a carpet area of 700 square feet. Come, let's go. So right as we've entered, this is going to be your living space. As you can see, a quite spacious living space where you get an entire French window with an amazing view outside. And then this side of your living room is going to be your dedicated dining table space. So this is going to be your dining area where a 6-seater of dining space can easily fit in. As you can just see, I'm walking around and showing you the space. Have a look at the space. Moving ahead, right in front of the dining space will be your kitchen. So we are walking in your kitchen right now where you get two sides of parallel platform. This is going to be your kitchen. Look at the space in the kitchen where there's enough space for cabinet. Right here where your platform ends is going to be your washing machine space. So this is going to be your dedicated washing machine space. And then you get obviously window for ventilation. And then right where your platform ends, this is going to be your double door refrigerator space. So now let's move ahead. As I go ahead to my right, first comes your common washroom for your guests. So this is going to be your common washroom which you'll be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. A decently sized washroom. Let's move ahead. Right in front of your common washroom is going to be your bedroom number 1. So this is going to be your bedroom number 1. The layout of the house is very well planned, very well designed. So again, a spacious room. Easily you can put your wardrobe on this side of the wall. Your bed in the between. A queen and king size bed can easily fit in, and then this side of the wall is dedicated for your window, for your ventilation, for nice sunlight to come in. Let's move ahead. Before moving ahead, I need to tell you all something. So you need to check the floor to ceiling height of the house. So every room, I mean the entire house, has almost 10 feet and above floor to ceiling height, which is very rare to find. Now we will be going and checking out the master bedroom, but before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with Housey. Come, let's move ahead. As we move ahead comes your master bedroom straight. This is your foyer space. Have a look at the foyer space. A quite spacious foyer space which can easily be designed as the running wardrobe area. So this entire site can be designed as your running wardrobe space. And then you come in, this is going to be your bedroom where your bed is going to be placed. Just see the amount of walkable space in this room, such a spacious room. Here you get L shape of French window for nice ventilation and sunlight and cross ventilation. Just have a look. And then right in front is going to be your attached washroom. Again, a spacious attached washroom which you will be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So yes, this was your 2 BHK. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK actual flat tour of Ariana by Romel Group located in Borivali West. To get more information about this amazing property, download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such properties, also check the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.